And now, ladies and gentlemen, ready to make his way to the scale. 34-3-1, 29 wins by way of knockout. The three-time light heavyweight world champion from Chelyabinsk, Russia, the reigning, defending WBO light heavyweight champion of the world, Sergey Kovalev. And now standing by to make his way to the stage. 55 professional fights, 52 victories, 35 knockouts, 1 defeat, 2 draws. At 154 pounds, he's the former WBC, WBA, WBO Ring Magazine World Champion. At 160 pounds, the former IBF and current WBC franchise, WBA Lineal and Ring Magazine World Champion. At 168 pounds, he is the current WBA Super Middleweight World Champion, and now looking to become a world champion in a 4th division at 175 pounds. Damas y caballeros, presentando el hijo de Guadalajara, Jalisco, el orgullo de México, Saúl Canelo Álvarez. All right, ladies and gentlemen, he is first on the scale from Mexico, Saúl Canelo Álvarez. The limit for this bout is 175. Canelo, 174 and 1/2, 174 y medias. And now his opponent ready to step on the scale, the defending WBO light heavyweight world champion, Sergey Kovalev. Current weight for Kovalev is 176. Don't move. 175 and a half.
Let's do a towel.
We will take off the shorts. 175 1/4. Kovalev has 1 hour to lose a quarter pound.
Hit the treadmill, take a shit. You gotta do what you gotta do, sauna. Wow, but in a major fight like this, though.
Anybody else? Kathy, 320. Jolene, anybody else want to see?
Once again, Kovalev will have 1 hour to out the door. Log on to access.com and catch Canelo and Kovalev tomorrow night from here inside the MGM Grand Garden Arena, Las Vegas, Nevada. Sergey Kovalev, the reigning champ, the challenger, Canelo Alvarez.